Hi everyone! Welcome back to Originality.ai Weekly Newsletter Update. My name is Kristen, and here's what we're covering this week. Our Facebook community, a chance for some free credits, some shocking news about books being published on Amazon, and our new feature coming soon. So let's get into it. Here at Originality.ai, we believe that AI should be a tool and not a replacement for human creativity. So we've built a community around transparency, originality, and real human connection. Join us and other passionate content creators who are learning, sharing, and staying original in this world of AI. Join our Facebook community to be the first to know about and get exclusive access to product updates, new features, and announcements straight from the Originality.ai team. Join a network of like-minded creators, marketers, writers, and educators sharing strategy, asking questions, and helping each other make the most out of the Originality.ai tools and platform. And learn from the Originality.ai team and fellow creators passionate about keeping content original and authentic. So join me in our Facebook community group with the link below. And while you're already on Facebook, give our page a follow. Want to scan 100,000 words for AI for free? If you're an Originality.ai WordPress plugin user, we want your feedback. We're making some improvements to our WordPress plugin, and we want to hear from you. Fill out a super quick survey, and as a thank you, we'll add 1,000 credits to your account. Your feedback directly impacts how we build better tools for creators, publishers, and editors like you, so don't miss this chance for some free credits and a better experience. It's a win-win for both of us. Take the survey with the link below. Okay, I'm genuinely so excited about this next topic, and I'm not just saying that. Our latest major study we've done here at Originality.ai looked into the amount of likely AI-generated books in the herbal remedy category on Amazon. To spoil, we found that 82% of all herbal remedy books published on Amazon in 2025 are likely AI-generated. Yeah. So, books are being published that are not written by humans. And speaking of these authors, 76% of authors who had likely AI content in their books published their work using nature-themed names like rose, fern, clove, ash, sage, etc. So, next time you're on Amazon considering buying an herbal remedy book from Sage Green, maybe double-check that with Originality.ai before adding to cart. This study is so good, again, not just saying that, it was featured as an exclusive on The Guardian, one of the world's leading publications covering the risks and misuse of AI. Check out The Guardian's coverage, our original study, and our free AI checker today, and protect yourself from potentially dangerous information and all the implications of these AI books. Guys are getting excited for DeepScan, and we're getting excited to share it with you. Soon in your Originality.ai platform, you'll be able to see what triggered AI detection, what made your writing appear artificial, and how to fix it. It's like having a tutor or an editor on your side, helping you become a better, more ethical writer. I'm so excited for this feature, and you should be too. Coming soon to Originality.ai. Stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much to our users, support team, and everyone in between. You all help support the most accurate AI detection tool in the market, and our support team is always happy to help out if you need assistance. Thank you so much for tuning in into this week's update. Be sure to join our Facebook community page, take our WordPress plugin survey, check out our Herbal Remedy Amazon book study, and keep your eyes peeled for DeepScan. I'll see you next week, but until then, stay original with Originality.ai.